Predstavljamo robotsko kosilnico z vsekolesnim pogonom. Premaguje strmine in ekstremne naklone.
Here we have the Husqvarna 315X Automower as it will arrive to you. This Automower is well suited for yards up to 0.4 acres and can cut grass up to 2.4 inches tall. Your Husqvarna 315X Automower also comes with a large installation kit. This kit has everything you need to install the Automower in your yard. Let's open the boxes and see what's inside. When you open the box, the first thing that you'll see is the ruler inside. This ruler is made for you to use while you install the Automower. This helps ensure that the wire is the right distance away from any object in the yard. Let's go ahead and take your 315X Automower out of the box. Next, let's take out some of the important components of your system. First, we have the Automower power supply unit. This is what plugs into the electrical outlet that gives your Automower power. Then we have additional components of the Automower system. And finally, we have your installation manual, as well as your Automower quick start guide. The last thing we remove is the base plate for the Automower charging station. This charging station is where the Automower parks to charge when the battery is low. Your Husqvarna 315X Automower comes with a large install kit. This install kit contains everything you need to install the Automower in your yard. Inside the kit, you'll find bags containing staples. There's a total of 600 staples included with this kit to ensure that the wire is securely in the ground all over your yard. Additionally, we have 400 meters of UV-resistant wire. And finally, we have 10 connectors, 5 wire splicers, and 5 wire connectors. Now that everything's unpacked, you're ready to install your Husqvarna 315X Automower. Make sure to review the user manual as well as the Quick Start Guide. Included on the back of the Quick Start Guide are instructions to download the Automower Connect app. Use this app on your phone to control your Automower from anywhere. Finally, if you have any additional questions, make sure to head over to Husqvarna.com and check out